How to fix emergency calls only on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Android phone and then go to settings. After you're in settings, you can click on the Wi-Fi and network or anywhere there is network, and make sure you have network of your connection. Sometimes not having network will only show emergency calls. Another thing what you can do is open Google and search down detector and click on it. In down detector, search for your server, which is your network. It will give different servers. Simply select one of your network and see if it is down. If the status is not down, you can wait for some hours, or if there is issue in status of the server, you can simply wait for some hours and it will be fixed. This is how to fix emergency calls only on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.